Well, I've been after it for a couple weeks on this front suspension. Of course, not full time, but I probably got 50 or 60 hours into fabricating all this stuff for this front suspension. But I got her done. I'm gonna stick it together, see what we got, see what it looks like. All right, that's what it looks like stuck together. I don't have all the nuts tightened up, but I'm gonna take it back apart. I just wanna make sure it all fits. And it does. I can stand on the frame, got a little bit of spring, but I'm not heavy enough. We'll know more about what it's gonna look like with the motor and transmission, get all the weight. Engine and transmission, get all the weight on. That's a lot of parts right there. A lot of cutting, grinding, welding, cut it again, grind it again, weld it again, and repeat until you get it like you wanted it or you get tired of fooling with it. But I got it like I wanted it. That's what I was looking for right there. That's the vision I had. So, dreams come true, you just got to work at it. A lot of parts, a lot of parts. But I think we're gonna be all right. I think it's gonna work fine. If I get on it, jump up and down, it moves a little bit. When I put that motor, engine and transmission in there, it should work fine. Should be, I want the axle to be about the same height as that bar across the front of the chassis, so it'd be about 2 inches lower. So that engine and transmission, hopefully it'll drop it down a couple of inches on that spring, and that'd be where we want it at. We'll see. Might have to make some adjustments to the spring, who knows. But we got this much done, so let's see what we can do next. But yeah, that's what I've been working on last couple of weeks. Finally got that done. Now I can move on. Next project is the rear suspension. That's probably gonna be another couple of weeks. But we're moving right along. I had these hairpins here. I don't like it because this was a little too low. It'd be the first thing to hit a speed bump because this thing is gonna ride kind of low. So I decided to move them up. Trial and error, ratrod. All right, let me get started on the rear suspension. Appreciate you guys.